using the lambda function in command equals from Tkinter. This is a very easy code to understand things. Main. And in another file untitled I have the get function. When I run the main I receive the following error. Exception in Tkinter callback traceback, most recent call last, file break time equals ones, greater than line 121, in mainsec, request equals rpc.request_q.get block equals true, timeout equals 0.05, file break time equals ones, greater than line 175, in get raise empty q.empty. During handling of the above exception, another exception occurred. Traceback, most recent call last, file. Line 1533, in call return self.func args type error, missing 3 required positional arguments, ift, current_wait, and entree1. How can I solve that? I thought the lambda function allows us to use his some args in an event-dependent function.
The command lambda does not take any arguments at all. Furthermore, there is no if that you can catch. A lambda can refer to variables outside it. This is called a closure. Thus your button code should be. And your get should say.
Actually, you just need the entry object entree1 as the lambda pass-in argument. Either statement below would work. With the function get defined as
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.